In this video class, I am going to discuss objectives in cross product. Now, first one, three vectors A bar, B bar, C bar such that A bar is not equal to 0 and A bar cross B bar is equal to 2 into A bar cross C bar. Modulus of A bar, modulus of C bar both are equal to 1 and modulus of B bar equals to 4. The angle between B bar C bar is cos inverse 1 by 4. Here we want the lambda value. Here what they given, B bar minus 2C bar, that is equal to lambda A bar is given. And angle between B bar and C bar also given. So here we can directly do the squaring on both sides. This side whole square, that is equal to this side whole square. So modulus of B bar whole square minus 4 into B bar dot C bar plus 4 into modulus of C bar square, that is equal to lambda square modulus of A bar square. Modulus of beta, that is 4 is given, so this is 16 minus 4 into modulus of B bar modulus of C bar cos of angle between B bar and C bar cos inverse 1 by 4 is given, plus 4 into modulus of C bar, that is 1, that is equal to lambda square modulus of A bar square, that is 1 only. So 16 minus 4 into 1, this is 1 by 4 plus 4, that is equal to lambda square. Then 4 gets cancelled, minus 4 plus 4 both gets cancelled, lambda square, that is equal to 16, lambda is equal to plus or minus 4. Here the second option, that is a plus or minus 4. So second option. Next here second and third, the area of the parallelogram is 4 root 29 square units. If one of the adjacent side is here one of the adjacent side is I plus 4k, sorry here one of the adjacent side is 3I cap plus 4j cap, 3I cap plus 4j cap. Then the other side is, see this type of problems, area of the parallelogram is given and if you know the two adjacent sides, modulus of A bar plus B bar, that is the area of the parallelogram. One side is given, the vector in the direction of one side. Now another side we want. So here you can verify the options wherever you get the modulus of A bar cross B bar. How to find A bar cross B bar? Here cross product, determinant of I, J, K, that is fixed only, and this is also fixed, 3, 4, 0. Take one first option and see that one, modulus of that one. Here we can get a vector and its modulus you can see. If you get 4 root 29, that is the correct option. But here we can get maybe fourth option. Fourth option, that is the correct one. Second one also, this type of problems. Here A bar one vector is given and dot product of two vectors A bar dot B bar and A bar plus B bar also given. Then B bar is equal to, here also we can verify the options one. Maybe here also we can get a fourth of 19. You can check you can verify the options one. Now third one, let P bar be any vector. Next fourth one, let P bar be any vector, then the value of that one I want. I am taking P bar be any vector, so A I cap, A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap I am taking. Now cross product with I cap. For example, here you can see I, J, K. P bar cross I bar I am finding. P bar cross I cap, I, J, K, A1, A2, A3, 1, 0, 0. That is equal to I cap into, this is 0, minus j cap into minus a3 plus k cap into minus a2. So here p bar cross I bar I cap, how much we are getting? A3 j cap minus a2 k cap, a2 k cap. Here modulus, what is the modulus of this one? Modulus of p bar cross I cap, that is equal to root of a2 square plus a3 square, and modulus of p bar cross I cap whole square, a2 square plus a3 square. So here if I take I cap, I am getting a2 square plus a3 square. Similarly, for the remaining we can write directly only. P bar cross j bar, modulus of p bar cross j cap whole square, that is equal to, here we are not getting the first term, here we won't get the second term, a1 square plus a3 square, and modulus of p bar cross k cap whole square, that is equal to a1 square plus a2 square, and 3 by 2, the given value, that is equal to 3 by 2. Here how much we are getting? By adding these 3, each one repeated twice, this one plus this one plus this one, each one repeated twice. So 2 into a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square. So here 2 gets cancelled. 3 into, what about a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square, that one? Modulus of p bar square, modulus of p bar, here p bar I have taken this one, what about the modulus of p bar? That is root of a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square, squaring on both sides. 3 into modulus of p bar square, simply we can write 3p square also we can write. So p bar whole square means p bar dot p bar only, modulus of p bar square. So third option, that is the correct one. Next one, MA bar, MB bar and MC bar are 3 unit vectors such that MA bar dot MB bar equals to 0 and MA bar dot MC bar equals to 0. So here MA bar dot MB bar and both are unit vectors only, that is equal to MA bar dot MC bar also we can write. Transfer this one this side, minus, that is equal to 0 also we can write. From these two terms, this one we can write MA bar dot MB bar minus MC bar, that is equal to 0. So what is the meaning of this one? The angle between these two vectors, MA bar and MB bar minus MC bar, that is 90 degrees only. Both are perpendicular to each other. Here we want the value of that one. Modulus of, here also I can write MA bar cross MB bar minus MC bar. MA bar cross MB bar minus MA bar cross MC bar. Here expanding this one, modulus of A bar cross B bar, we can write modulus of A bar, modulus of B bar, sine of angle between the two. That is equal to modulus of MA bar, modulus of MB bar minus MC bar into sine angle between these two. Here only we got angle between these two, that is 90 degrees. Here dot product of these two vectors, whenever we get 0, the angle between the two vectors is 90 degrees. Sine 90, that is 1. Here all the 3 are unit vectors. So this is 1 into, here also MB bar, modulus of MB bar minus MC bar we want. So here what I am doing, next here this value we want. I am finding here modulus of MB bar minus MC bar whole square. Separately you can find the value of that one. Modulus of MB bar square, that is 1, plus modulus of MC bar square, that is also 1, minus 2 into modulus of MV bar, modulus of MC bar into cos of angle between these two, MV bar and MC bar, cos 60. 60 is given, angle between the two. So 2 minus 2 into 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, that is 1. By taking square root also we can get 1 only. This value here, this is the unit vector, this is 1, that sin 90 also 1. 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. First option. Next one, u bar, v bar and w bar, 3 vectors are given. If n cap is a unit vector such that u bar dot n cap, that is equals to 0, v bar dot n cap, that is equal to 0, then we want the value of modulus of w bar dot n cap. Here we don't know what is n cap. So n cap, here these two relations are given. What is the meaning of this one? Here these two vectors are perpendicular and here also these two vectors are perpendicular. So here n cap is perpendicular to both u bar and v bar. N cap, that is the perpendicular to both u bar and v bar. So here n cap in the direction of u bar cross v bar, and here we don't know the magnitude, 1. Here u bar plus v bar, we don't know the magnitude. So here n cap, that is equals to lambda times u bar cross v bar. N cap, that is the vector perpendicular to both u bar and v bar, the vector perpendicular to both u bar and v bar, that is in the direction of u bar cross v bar only. So n cap, that is equals to lambda times that one. I am taking modulus on both sides. Modulus of lambda into u bar cross v bar. Here u v. This is 1 modulus of lambda. Modulus of u bar cross v bar. How to write that one? Modulus of u bar. Modulus of v bar. Sine of angle between u bar and v bar. Sine of angle between u bar and v bar. Otherwise, here u bar, v bar. Again, we have to find angle between the two. Cos theta is equals, again you have to convert into sine. Instead of that one, this is better. U bar cross v bar, that is equals to determinant of I, j, k. U bar 1, 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. I into 0 minus j into 0 plus k cap into minus 1, that is equal to minus 2 k cap. This is u bar cross v bar. What is the modulus of u bar cross v bar? That is equal to, this is 2. Modulus of k, that is equal to 1. So it's modulus of 2 we are getting. This is 1. Modulus of lambda, modulus of this one, that is 2. So modulus of lambda, that is equal to 1 by 2. So here lambda is equal to, maybe two possibilities are there, either plus 1 or plus 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. So here I got lambda is equal to, one time you can take plus 1 by 2 and check the options. If it is not there, take lambda equals to minus 1 by 2. So here n bar is equal to n cap, that is equal to 1 by 2. U bar cross v bar, already we got minus 2 k cap. Here minus 2 gets cancelled, minus k cap. Now w bar dot n cap, that is equal to, here 3 I cap plus 5 j cap plus 3 k cap dot minus k cap, that is equal to minus 3 we are getting. W bar dot n cap modulus, that is equal to 3. While taking either plus or minus, we can get the W bar dot n cap, that is modulus, that is equal to 3 only. So here you can consider any a value. Next one, P bar, Q bar, two vectors are given. R bar is a vector such that P bar dot R bar is equal to modulus of R bar and r bar minus p bar modulus of that is equals to 2 root 2. The angle between p bar cross q bar and r bar, that is pi by 6. Then the value of modulus of p bar cross q bar cross r bar. This one you can consider one vector, this is another vector. What is the cross product of that one? Modulus of a bar plus b bar, we can get modulus of a bar, modulus of p bar cross q bar, and modulus of r bar, and the sine of angle between these two. Sine of angle between the two 30 degrees is given. So that one. And again here you can expand this one. Modulus of p bar. Modulus of p bar, that is 3. Here p bar vector is given, its modulus root of modulus of p bar, that is equal to root of 4 plus 1 plus 4, 9. Square root of 9, that is a 3 only. Modulus of q bar, that is a root 2 into modulus of r bar into 1 by 2. So here 3 by root 2 into modulus of r bar. Here modulus of r bar, we don't know that one. Here what they given? Modulus of r bar, that is equal to p bar dot r bar only given. And one more condition also given here. What is that one? Modulus of r bar minus p bar, that is equal to 2 root 2. Modulus of r bar minus p bar, that is equal to 2 root 2. If I squaring on both sides, if I do that one, modulus of r bar square plus modulus of p bar square minus 2 into r bar dot p bar, that is equal to 8. Here modulus of r bar square, here modulus of p, that is 3. 3 square, that is 9, minus 2 into r bar dot p bar, that is already given, modulus of r. So here I can write modulus of r bar, that is equal to 8. Modulus of r bar square minus 2 into modulus of r bar plus 1, that is equal to 0. This is the perfect square of modulus of r bar minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 0. So modulus of r bar should be equal to 1. So 3 by root 2, that is the value of modulus of p bar plus q bar plus r bar. A bar, B bar, C bar are 3 vectors such that modulus of A bar equals to root 2, modulus of B bar equals to 4, modulus of C bar equals to 1. And modulus of B bar cross C bar. Here modulus of B bar cross C bar, that is equals to root 15. And B bar is equal to 2 C bar plus lambda A bar. Here and their magnitudes also given. What about the modulus of B bar plus C bar? Modulus of B bar, modulus of C bar, and the sine of angle between B bar comma C bar, that is equal to root 5. Sorry, this is root 15. Modulus of B bar, that is 4. This is 1. Sine of angle between B bar comma C bar, that is equal to root 15. So sine, the angle between these two I am taking theta. Sine theta is equal to root 15 by 4. If you take the, here theta is acute is given. Angle between B bar and C bar, that is acute. Acute means 0 to pi by 2. If I take the triangle root 15 by 4, 16 minus, this is 1 only. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 4. If I set that one. Now here lambda A bar, that is equal to B bar minus 2C bar. Why? We are taking that one here. We got the angle between B bar and C bar. So B comma C, you can write one side. Now squaring on both sides. That is equal to B bar minus 2C bar whole square. This is a lambda square, modulus of A bar square, modulus of B bar square, plus 4 into modulus of C bar square, minus 4 into B bar dot C bar. Lambda square, modulus of A bar, that is root 2, A bar square, that is 2. Modulus of B bar 16, modulus of C bar 1 only 4, minus 4 into B bar dot C bar, modulus of B bar, modulus of C bar, cos of angle between B bar and C bar. Here we got cos of angle between the two, that is equals to 1 by 4. Here 4 gets cancelled. Lambda square into 2, that is equals to, here 16 plus 4 minus 4. These two gets cancelled. Lambda square, that is equals to 8. Lambda is equals to plus or minus of 2 root 2. So here answer lambda equals to plus or minus 2 root 2, that is the third option. Here resolved part of vector A bar and along the vector B bar is A1 bar and the perpendicular to B bar is O2 bar. Then A1 bar cross A2 bar we want. Here you can see, here resolved part means that is nothing but a projection. Here O, A, B. Vector A bar along the vector B bar. Otherwise, this one you can take A, this is a B. This is B bar, this is A bar. Resolved part of vector A bar along the vector B bar is A1 bar. So here we can draw the perpendicular. This is M. OM we say that is the projection of A bar on B bar only, and the projection vector, this is the resolved part of vector only. So here OM we know that one. OM that is equals to OM, that is the projection of A bar on B bar, that is A bar dot B bar by modulus of B bar. And OM bar we want resolved part of vector, that is the projection of the vector, projection vector A bar dot B bar by modulus of B bar. To get vector, that magnitude should be multiplied by unit vector in the direction B bar by modulus of B bar, that is the unit vector in that direction. So here OM bar we got. Here what they given is A1 bar is given. So that is a A1 bar. This is A1 bar. A1 bar. And the perpendicular to B bar is A2 bar. So here OM bar plus OM bar already we got. OM bar plus AM bar, that is equal to OA bar. OA bar, here we want MA bar, sorry, OM plus MA bar perpendicular to this one. MA bar, that is equal to OA bar, that is A bar minus OM bar, that is A bar dot B bar into B bar by modulus of B bar square, that is MA bar is given. Now here what they are asking, this one perpendicular to B bar is A2 bar, this one you can consider A2 bar only, that is A2 bar. So here what they are asking, A1 bar cross A2 bar. A1 bar, that is A bar dot B bar into B bar by modulus of B bar square cross A2 bar. A bar minus A bar dot B bar into B bar by modulus of B bar square. Next, here cross product is given. So this is the scalar A bar dot B bar upon modulus of B bar square, that is the scalar. Here B bar cross B bar cross A bar minus, here also A bar dot B bar into A bar dot B bar, that is the scalar A into A square. B bar cross B bar cross B bar whole by modulus of B bar whole power 4. And here A bar cross A bar or B bar cross B bar, that is always 0. The angle between the two 0, sin 0, 0. So this is the correct one. That is the third option. Here next one, the vector A of triangle ABC is on the line. Here A is that is not a fixed point. That is the locus is given. Here position of the point P with respect to origin, that is the variable point is given. R bar equals to I cap plus j cap plus lambda k cap. That is the variable point is given. So here different values of lambda you can get at different points, and from there you can draw the triangle also. And the vertices B and C having the respective position vectors I cap. Here I 1 0 0. This is a 0 1 0. Now delta be the area of triangle ABC and delta belongs to. Here we want a lambda value. Lambda belongs to. If the area belongs to this one, here that is the variable point is given. A is the variable point only. So by taking a different values of lambda, we will get a different areas also. A also changes, then we can get a different area of the triangle also changes. So here, if the area of the triangle lies in between this one, what about the lambda value belongs to? What about the area of the triangle formula? Area of triangle, that is equals half into modulus of AB bar cross AC bar. So here, A vertex I am taking this one only, 1 1 lambda. Variable point. Here we have to find the lambda values. So what about the lambda? Here delta changes to area changes in this interval. What about lambda changes? Now what about AB bar cross AC bar? Here AB bar, how to get that one? AB bar cross AC bar, that is equal to determinant of I j k. AB bar, OB bar minus OA bar. This is 1 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 minus lambda. AC bar, OC minus OA. This is minus 1 0 minus lambda. And if I expand this one, I cap into lambda minus j cap into minus lambda plus k cap into minus 1. So lambda I cap plus lambda j cap minus k cap. And what about the half into? What about its modulus square root of x square plus y square plus z square? Lambda square plus lambda square plus 1, that is equal to 2 lambda square plus 1. Lambda always positive only. Here we got a lambda 2 lambda square plus 1. Here what they given? Area lies in between. This is total value half into root of 2 lambda square plus 1 lies in between both are positive values only. 3 by 2 root 33 by 2. So here we can cancel 2 and taking the squares, 2 lambda square plus 1, that is 33, subtracting minus 1, subtracting 1, 8 is less than or equals to 2 lambda square is less than or equals to 32, dividing with the 2, 4 is less than or equals to lambda square is less than or equals to 16. Here we have to solve. How to solve this one? Lambda square is less than or equals to 16. Here lambda square less than or equals to, two types of inequalities are there. Lambda square is less than or equals to 16. Lambda square minus 16 less than or equals to 0. Lambda plus 4 into lambda minus 4 less than or equals to 0. If I take the number line, we can get lambda belongs to minus 4 to 4. And one more also there. Lambda square is more than or equals to, lambda square is more than or equals to 4. Lambda square minus 4 is more than or equals to 0. Lambda plus 2 into lambda minus 2 greater than or equals to 0. Here I will say the number line. Minus 2, 2. Right side first submit always you can keep a plus. Here minus, here plus. You have to change the, alternatively you have to change the sign. Product positive means you have to consider the positive intervals. So lambda belongs to minus infinite to minus 2 union 2 to infinite. Now what is the meaning of this one? Here all these satisfies this inequality, all these satisfies this inequality. What are the common values satisfying both the inequalities? Minus 4, minus 2, 2, 4. Here minus 4 to 4, minus 4 to 4, minus infinite to minus 2, and 2 to infinite, 2 to infinite. So common intervals minus 4 to minus 2, both are included, union 2 to 4, minus 4 to minus 2, union 2 to 4, that is the fourth option. Next one, in the figure, here two rectangles are given. Here AB, DE, GF are parallel to each other, and AD, BG, EF also parallel to each other. If CD is to CE, CD is to CE, that is equal to 2 is to 1. So here I have to draw the bigger one. Here CD is to CE, that is equal to CG is to, here 2 is to 1, CD is to CE, and CG is to CB, CG is to CB, this is also 2 is to 1. Then the area of triangle AEG is to area of triangle ABD, AEG. AE, how to get that one? AB plus BC plus CE. Here AE bar, AE, otherwise here we can consider this one as origin only. A is the origin, and AB bar I am taking A bar, and AD bar, that one I am taking B bar. Here this is A bar, this is a B bar. So here AE bar, that is equal to AE bar, that is equal to A bar, AB bar, plus BC bar, that is B bar, plus C bar. So here what they are asking, then the area of triangle AEG is to area of triangle ABD. First I am finding the area of triangle AEG, area of triangle AEG, that is equal to half into, here A I am considering original O, AE bar cross AG bar, AE bar cross AG bar, that is equal to half into AE bar, how to get that one? AB plus BC plus CE only. Here C divides D in the ratio 2 is to 1. This is the 2 part, that is the 1 part only. So here if I take this one A bar, that is A bar by 2 only. Now AE bar, AB bar plus BC bar, this is B bar, plus C bar, this is half of this one only. This is the 2 part, this is 1 part only. So half of A bar cross AG bar, AB bar plus BC bar, that is B bar, this is 2 times of this one. So that is equals half into A bar 3 by 2 A bar plus B bar cross A bar plus 3B bar. Now if I do the cross multiplication, here A bar cross A bar, that is 0, 3 3 are 9 by 2 A bar cross B bar, here plus B bar cross A bar, again B bar cross B bar, that is 0. So that is equal to 1 by 2. Here minus A bar cross B bar, we can write minus 1. Minus 1 means how much we are getting here? The options, this is 7 by 2. 4, 9 by 2. So here how much we are getting? 9. This is minus a bar plus b bar. 7 by 2 a bar plus b bar. Area always that is in a modulus only. Modulus of that one. So 7 by 4 modulus of a bar cross b bar. That one we got. Otherwise, if any confusion is there, here two parts. 2 a bar here you can take, this is a bar you can take, these two. This one you can take b bar, here you can take 2b bar. That is also a nice one. You can get the same result. Now, area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD. That is equals half into modulus of AB bar cross AD bar. Half into modulus of AB bar, A bar cross this is B bar. If I divide these two, how much we can get here? Ratio we want. The ratio that is equals to here this one by this one. Both these two gets cancelled. 7 by 4 by 1 by 2. That is equals to 7 by 4 into 2 by 1 2 times. That is 7 by 2. If any confusion is there, whenever they give 2:1, here this one you can take a 2a bar, this one you can take a bar, this is b bar, here 2b bar. Like that also you can do, you will get the same result. Next one, let the position vector of the points P and Q be